Today we're making the Blushing White Lady, a twist on the classic White Lady cocktail. For this cocktail, we need some Sloe Gin, some Italicus liqueur, some 2-to-1 sugar syrup, some FOAMEE foaming agent. If you don't have this, egg white will work perfectly, and some fresh lemon juice. Kicking off with a shot and a half of our Sloe Gin. I'm using Monkey 47 Sloe Gin, but I'm pretty sure it will work with any Sloe Gin that you have. Next up, we've got 3/4 of a shot of Italicus liqueur. Now, this is a Rosolio liqueur made from rose petals. So it has citrus floral notes, and if you haven't got a bottle of this on your back bar, I highly recommend you getting one, not only because the liquid inside is tasty, but the bottle is pretty good looking as well. Up next, we have a shot of lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. And to balance out the citrus from the lemon, we're just gonna have 1/4 of a shot of sugar syrup. The Sloe Gin has some sweet notes to it, and the Italicus is quite a sweet liqueur as well. Now, if you want to make it sweeter, or if you want to try without the sugar syrup to begin with, you can do so, shake it up, see how it tastes, and then add more sweetness later on if you want to. Okay, we're gonna be putting in 3 drops of FOAMEE, which is a foaming agent. This is an egg white replacement. If you want to get your hands on some of this, I've left a link in the description below where you can go and get some. If you don't want to use this, you can just use egg white, and it's going to be 1/2 a shot. Okay, time to shake. Now, this is the controversial part when making a foamy cocktail. Some people say that you should wet shake, then dry shake. Others say you should dry shake, then wet shake. My opinion is shake the hell out of it, and then you're done. Because to be honest, you're not gonna taste that much difference. The only thing I do recommend is when you strain, you fine strain to catch all those large bubbles. Now, once you've shaken, you can try it. And if you wanna add any more sweetness, now's the time. I quite like it how it is. Because I use the foaming agent, the volume that you get on the cocktail is a bit less. Obviously, using 1/2 a shot of egg white is going to add more volume to the cocktail. Now for garnish, I'm going to put in some of these pink ice cubes that I've got. Push those down. Lemon peel expressed on top. Now, I prefer this to the original because it has a more delicate balance between the sweet and the sour. Plus, you've got those floral notes coming through from the Italicus. And the color is much better. So there we go. That is the Blushing White Lady. All the specifications for the cocktails that I made on today's video are going to be in the description below, plus links to where you can buy all the equipment that I used to make today's cocktail. Now, before I go, I want to say a huge thank you to all of these legends who are supporting me over on Patreon. If you want to find out a bit more about that, there is a link in the description below. But that is it. Thank you very much for watching. That is the Blushing White Lady. Until next week, I'll see you then.